Welcome back to Tech Unlocked. Have you ever wondered what it means when your favorite messaging app claims your conversations are end-to-end encrypted? In today's digital landscape, where data breaches are alarmingly common, understanding how to safeguard your privacy is crucial. End-to-end encryption, or E2EE, is the technology that ensures your digital communications remain private. Let's explore how this powerful tool keeps your data secure from prying eyes, even those of the companies providing the services you use every day. Imagine if all your private chats, emails, and files were open for anyone to see. Frightening, right? This is where encryption steps in. Encryption transforms your data into a secret code, making it unreadable to anyone except the intended recipient. Think of it as sending a postcard in a secret language only you and your friend understand. This process protects your messages, ensuring they remain confidential. Encryption is the backbone of digital security, safeguarding your information from unauthorized access. So what makes end-to-end encryption stand out? Unlike other forms of encryption, E2EE ensures that only the sender and receiver can read the message. Even the company operating the app cannot access your data. This means your communication remains private and secure, just between you and the person you're talking to. It's a level of privacy that is increasingly important in our interconnected world, where data privacy concerns are ever present. Here's how end-to-end encryption works. When you send a message, your device uses a public key to encrypt the message, making it unreadable. This encrypted message travels over the internet, safe from hackers and unauthorized access. Once it reaches the recipient, their device uses a private key to decrypt the message, revealing your original text. This process ensures that your data is protected from start to finish, providing a secure communication channel that is virtually impenetrable. End-to-end encryption isn't limited to messaging apps. It's also used in emails, cloud storage, online shopping, and more. This technology is your first line of defense against cyber threats, protecting everything from your bank details to your private photos. In today's digital age, having this level of protection is not just beneficial, it's essential. As more of our lives move online, the need for robust security measures like E2EE becomes increasingly critical. Implementing end-to-end encryption comes with its own set of challenges. It requires complex algorithms and strong key management, which can impact performance. Additionally, while E2EE protects the content of your messages, it doesn't hide metadata, such as who you're communicating with or when. These challenges highlight the need for ongoing innovation and improvement in encryption technologies to ensure comprehensive privacy protection. While end-to-end encryption isn't perfect, it's a powerful tool that gives you control over your privacy in our ever-connected world. Stay safe, stay private, and stay ahead of potential threats. If you found this exploration of end-to-end encryption insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights. Until next time, keep learning and stay secure. Your digital privacy is worth protecting, and understanding these technologies is the first step.